Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. So this is a general love reading from 11th of May till 21st of May, okay, or mid-May you can say. So I'll tap into your partner's energy, your energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and their action towards you till 21st of May, okay. So let's start. Your partner's current energy is Scorpio. Page of Cups, developing new feelings, or they have some kind of happy news that they want to give you, or they want to tell you something in general that is going to uplift your mood, uplift you in general. Okay, so this person is developing whole new feelings for you. I don't feel like these feelings were in this person before, but now this person is feeling something very different. These are different feelings. They are developing new feelings, beautiful feelings. Let's clarify the Page of Cups. I feel like Scorpio, after a long pause or after a long, silence period, this person is feeling, this person is finally opening up to you. So let's clarify. This is the Six of Cups, the Death, and the Seven of Wands. So I feel like you guys had a history together, and the Scorpio also came out in Scorpio reading. You could be dealing with another Scorpio. Okay, so this person and you have a history together. You guys had sweet memories together. You guys had a past together, and this past, because of these memories, this person is transforming. This person is changing, and I feel like you guys broke up in some way, Scorpio. Okay, you guys were not together, and this person was acting very cold and off and detached maybe, or you might be acting detached towards them. Okay, so it could also be vice versa. It is their energy, I know, but these feelings are developing in this person because I feel like you were acting detached and cold from this particular person in the recent past. Okay, so you guys had a history together, and that ended. You guys had a relationship together, and that ended in some way. There was some conflict going on, and one person was acting very cold and off and detached. Okay, now this person is developing new feelings for you. This person is completely changing for you. Their perspective, their own personality, everything is changing in this person. This person is no longer the same person as they used to be. Okay, so let's see what your current energy is, Scorpio. Your current energy right now is the Ten of Wands. You are feeling like this relationship or this connection is a burden on you, okay? Or in particular, you are feeling like there's some kind of burden on your shoulders. You are weighing yourself down with somebody or someone else's thinkings. So it is like you are feeling very burdensome with something or by someone. Okay, let's clarify. You are in the zone of, okay, this person is with me, but I am feeling like this person is a burden to me, or I am feeling like this person is just a duty to me. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Wands. Five of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man. Yes, because you feel like this person, you are feeling this way, you are feeling burdensome because you were missing this person from your life. Okay, or this person left you in the past, or they left you like they don't care about you or something. But there is someone or somebody that came along, okay, that came to you, and they were offering you something beautiful. They were offering you a relationship offer, might be, but again you went into the silent zone. Okay, so it is like you were missing this person from your life, or you deeply felt hurt by them, and they were offering you something very solid or committed, but you felt like no, this is not the right time, so you are taking a break from this person, might be, or you're holding back from this person, or you are stuck on that person mentally. Okay, you're stuck on this person. You're not able to decide which way to go, which direction to go with this particular person, and that is why this burden is happening in your life. That is why you are feeling like this burden on your shoulders. Okay, this is your current energy, Scorpio. Let's see what they feel for you, what this person feels for you, what this person feels for you. The Fool, a brand new beginning. They are developing new feelings for you. They are ready to have a brand new beginning with you. Take a leap of faith with you. Take the risk of their life with you. Okay, they want to risk their life for you. They want to take a risk with you, and they want to see where this connection will go. Okay, even they are not sure about this particular connection with you, to be very honest, and they want to have a brand new beginning with you. They want to take the leap of faith with you, but they want you with them. That is the scenario. Okay, so these are the feelings. They feel like there should be a brand new beginning in this connection. There should be there's something missing in this connection. Okay, that is why this person feels like starting all over again. Let's clarify the fool, the story behind the fool. The emperor, the page of swords, and the nine of wands. Okay, so you could be dealing with the Aries. The emperor is here. So this person is this particular person felt like a rude person to you, or they felt like, or you felt like this person is not the right person for you, or this person is not emotional at all. They are not caring about your emotions. They were acting very cold and rude, but this person was spying on you somewhere. Okay, this person was watching your every move. Okay, this person was watching your every move, and they were deeply hurt by something that you did to them. Okay, they were deeply hurt. Might be there's something that came to light, okay, between both of you, and that deeply hurt both of you. Okay, but this particular person is deeply hurt, but still they want to have a brand new beginning with you. Still they feel like there should be a beginning in this connection. There should be another chance. There should be like there should be a new start in this connection, and you should give them another chance. That is what they are feeling right now. Okay, although this person felt closed off emotionally with you, but and they're feeling very very hurt and lost without you, or you did something to them, or they did something to you, but both the parties are very very sad. Both the parties are deeply hurt from within. Okay, this is what is happening, and still they want to have a brand new beginning. Still they feel like there should be a brand new beginning in this connection, a second chance given in this connection. A second chance should be given to this connection. This is the right grammatical thing. Okay, so what they want from you, they want justice from you. You could be dealing with a Libra. So all they want in this connection is justice. They want equal give and take. Okay, they want like you are not giving equal attention to them as they are giving to you, or the vice versa could also be possible. Okay, they want to do justice with you, with your feelings, with them, and with their feelings. This is what they want from this connection. Let's clarify the justice, the story behind this justice. Clarification gives you more clarity about their feelings and wants. Okay, so don't skip the clarification part. People often feel like clarification is not required, but it is. It will give you some more clarity. I often get messages from people, and they just see the reading card wise, and they don't see the clarification, and then they feel confused. Ma'am, what will happen? Ma'am, what is that? Ma'am, what is going on? I can't help each and everybody, right? These are general readings. So Six of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. So the justice is clarified by this. They want equal give and take. Okay, they want equal give and take from this connection. They want equal give and take from both the parties in this connection. And they are very, very clear about their intentions now. They are not at all confused or anything like that. They were stressing over this. They were stressing over this condition from a very long time. Maybe they were not able to sleep. They were feeling anxious and stressed over you. And that is why now this person came to the conclusion that I want to do justice with this connection, no matter how long it will take, but I will do justice. I want justice in this connection. If I am giving something to this particular person, to Scorpio, I want it back from them as well. Okay, this is what they are feeling. This is what they want from this connection, to do justice with them and to do justice with you. What to expect from this person till 21st of May, Scorpio? Let's see. Scorpio, let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of May. Eight of Wands, lots of communication coming towards you from this particular person, back and forth communication, because this is Eight of Wands. So it might also be possible that this person is at long distance from you. You guys are not together right now. Okay. So I feel like this person is going to connect with you till 21st of May, and there is lots of communication coming in towards you, with lots of clarifications, with lots of let's start all over again. And because they're feeling I told you, they are developing new feelings for you, new love feelings for you, and they're transforming into something else for you. This is a beautiful energy. You have transformed this person. You have completely changed this person. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Wands. The story behind this Eight of Wands is the Two of Wands waiting on you, the Four of Wands, and the Justice again. See, there is Justice two times. So I feel like this person was waiting on you. So they were waiting on you to go towards them and talk to them, but might be you were not going towards them, and they waited on you, and they were in this healing phase. They were healing from something that hurted them, but now they are in this justice phase. Now they are ready to, open up, ready to be vulnerable with you, and ready to tell you what exactly they are going through. What is their mental state right now? What is their uh, what should I say, emotional state right now? So state of mind right now. So basically, this person is coming towards you, and there will be lots of back and forth communication between you guys, and this communication will open up the doors for a new future, whether you want this person or not. And the bridging energy between you guys is the Five of Wands. Lots of conflicts going on between you guys, even if you don't see it, even if you don't doing it verbally, but you can feel it, Scorpio. You can feel that there's something that is conflicting between you guys, between both the parties, and that is bothering you and them equally. But there is the communication coming in towards you till 21st of May, and this communication will change each and everything in this connection. Okay, so let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck for you guys, Scorpio. What is coming towards you, or what is the guidance or advice for Scorpios, please? Girl with a snake, empath and narcissist paradigm, being charmed or used, enable boundaries. So you have to enable your boundaries with somebody who is might be narcissist or who is not good for you. I'm not seeing it as the same person you're dealing with right now. Might be there is some other person as well in this scenario, and you have to keep your distance from them. Okay. So Scorpios, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this reading will help you out to some extent to clear out your doubts with your partner. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Namaste. Thank you.